Not sure how to journal in a way that actually boosts your confidence? Random notes won't cut it. You need prompts that guide your self beliefs. One simple way to start is by using ChatGPT to generate journaling prompts, and I like to save them in Google Docs so I can easily reflect on them each day. I just type this prompt into ChatGPT. Give me 5 simple journal prompts to boost confidence and self belief. You can pause the video and copy the prompt, then run it yourself and save the results in Google Docs or Notes, whichever you prefer. This gives you structured prompts that guide meaningful reflection instead of random journaling. This is a quick way to start, but lasting confidence comes from consistent practice and guidance. That's what the Confidence Challenge offers. Exercises that show you how to transform old stories into real, lasting self belief. Plus, you also get online marketing sales funnel templates and a personalized one on one business plan so your confidence can flow into real world action and results. It's just $7 to start, beginner friendly, and you can begin today. Click the link below and start journaling in a way that actually builds confidence and self belief.